Hello and welcome to
Insider.ai.
Insider.ai.
I will be celebrating the energy and what is happening in and around the event. Sanjana will, of course, be taking you all through the ins and outs of the sessions and a lot of the other things which are happening at MLDS.
One thing I really like about MLDS this year is that they have multiple sessions happening in each hall and they've kind of dedicated each hall for a kind of session. Oh, I also heard there's a very interesting session happening on space technologies and how agentic AI plays a role in space economy in hall 2. Should we go check that out?
So what I'm going to take you all through is a space use case where we work on satellites.
It's amazing actually. Oh wow, interesting. You know what? They have a wonderful merchandise shop here as well. Really nice. Let's check this out, man. Anything which is for free? I obviously love this line, which is human plus AI.
So we are conducting a treasure hunt called MLDS Smartest Agent. It has fun tasks, riddles, puzzles. You solve as a team and the fastest team wins amazing goodies.
All right, well, the Insider.ai engine has now reached Mathco.
This is the AI workflow builder that we have.
Okay.
So with this, what we are trying to do is we want to automate business processes that you have. We are automating that process for them. There is no customer agent required for you.
Fair enough. Cheers.
I don't need to say my ideas for that.
Guess who went ahead and took up that mantle?
When I'm on the crease, I know that I have the best chance of succeeding rather than the bowlers.
Trying to find Sanjana. Let's see if this hall, I've tried 2 halls already. Ah, there she is. Finally, I've spotted my partner in crime. How are you doing, Sanjana? Where have you been, man? You were doing some sessions, etc. That, yes, well, part of life. But what are you looking forward to as far as day 2 is concerned?
I think hosting a few sessions.
That's
that I'm
nice.
supposed to be
Very
doing.
nice. Excited.
And the workshop sessions. So I think they're going to be wonderful.
Okay. So that's what you were doing right now, researching,
Yeah, I have
etc.
to get my script. Let me finish my script.
Please.
You finish eating and we will see you soon.
Absolutely. So Insider.ai, well, day 2.
We have the AIM Chess League, which is
Okay.
India's biggest tournament for tech professionals to play chess.
Have you set up like a stall where people can go play chess or something?
Yes, we do. It's
Okay.
right there. You can.
Thank you.
मैं चेस पहली बार खेल रहा हूँ इसलिए my mind
Same, bro,
is
same.
scrambled.
I just know the rules.
You were oh.
So I think by the time we reached Hall 3 yesterday, the sessions were over. So let's go check it out today. Are there that many people that there are people sitting outside?
But with agent, like for example, if you do select start from task where status is equal to do.
Will all the agentic AI kill our jobs? The answer is no.
So AI is really powerful and we are, touch basing everything and we are all dependent right now.
A models, A workload, which you do for the last 2 days. How can I make it responsible?
Multiple use cases are able to utilize the same model.
Hi ma'am. Hi. How are you? Saw BITS Pilani here and I was wondering, as an academic institution, being at an agentic AI event, what are you guys doing?
BITS Pilani Digital is the newest arm of BITS Pilani. So we are running programs virtually in online mode for working professionals so that they don't have to take a career break and do a concurrent program along with a career break, without a career break and continue to study.
So I see you have some bunch of goodies here. Are you doing like some giveaways
So
or games?
you can get an avatar done for yourself.
Oh, wonderful.
If you're a techie.
Nice meeting you.
Lovely meeting you.
Thank you.
Well, this brings us to the end of MLDS 2026, and Insider.ai is thrilled with what we've experienced over the past 2 days. And Sanjana, as always, is my brilliant colleague, who I would like to, of course, give the floor to. What has it been like for you? Because you were very hectically involved with all the halls.
Yeah. It's been a wonderful experience. I'll say that, there's been so much happening on Agentech AI, and you can clearly see that I got the opportunity to host a few sessions in one of the halls, and I think the workshops were so good.
Building an agent and you're working towards deploying it in production, there are many different angles which you have to look into.
And of course, that it is a wrap, ladies and gentlemen, on Insider.ai at MLDS 2026. This is me.
It was a wonderful experience, and looking forward to seeing you again next year.